Roslynn. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we'll be making elotes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below. First we'll need the following. We'll need a cup of peeled corn. We'll need mayonnaise. You can't forget the butter. I love butter. It's my favorite thing ever. Next, we'll need the queso cotija. It means cheese. Lastly, we'll need some lime. If you don't have lime, then you just need to use lemon instead of lime. First, we'll boil the corn for 30 minutes. Why do people have to turn on the fire? It burns your stuff. Once the corn is done, put it on the plate for preparation. First, let's smother the corn in mayonnaise. Next, pour the lemon.
That's lime.
Now it's time for the queso cotija. Now let's seal the dough and add the butter. Now it's time to chow down. This is so good. I like it. It's so good.